This video, I show you free apps to earn $600 per day doing nothing, in order for you to make money online. What are those? We're about to find out. This is, free app to earn $600 per day doing nothing. This is not just one, not two, but 5 apps that are going to pay you $600 over and over again. And you literally need to do nothing. The best part is you can cash out your money in many different payment methods. And of course, you can do this from basically anywhere in the world. And you only need one thing, which is your mobile phone. You can do this on your Android phone or on your iOS device. The first app that I want to show you is called TV2.com. So the concept of this app is really simple. You can just click and play and watch the video and start making money. You can do this on your television or on your mobile phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Now, as I promised, here is the bonus tip. In order to maximize making money with this app, you have to click and play the videos and let them play in the background using multiple devices. Now you can do this while doing stuff you like, while you're studying, or even while you're sleeping. So all you have to do is download the TV2 app on your mobile phone first. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. As you can see, over 300,000 people have tried this one. The best thing about this app is that it has almost 5-star rating on the Google Play Store, judging by the fact that they've got over 300,000 downloads, which is just amazing. Now once you download the app, make sure you go and click the app in your mobile phone or link it to your television so you can play the videos and start earning real cash. And there are literally unlimited videos and channels that you can choose from and start making money. Once again, this app is called TV2. The second app where you can earn money doing nothing is called appkarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn rewards by playing with apps. And it is absolutely free. The rationale why you can make money without doing anything is that when you download and install this app, you can instantly get 300 points, meaning you can get $3 doing nothing. You can download this on your Android phone or on your iOS device. Right now, as I promised, here is the bonus tip: just log into your account every single day. So just open this app and claim your daily rewards. And this is how you can earn money every single day doing nothing. On this app you can get different achievement badges which can multiply your earnings so you can earn double or even triple your money right now. And one last thing about App Karma is that you can actually refer your friends by sharing your invite link and earn 30% of whatever your friends earn. So say for example, when you refer people and they earn $100, you will also earn $30 for free without doing anything. So all you have to do is download App Karma on your mobile phone first. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. The logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. This is just a very simple app to use, yet you have multiple ways to make money, including playing games. And you can also earn by scratching cards. And don't forget to log in every single day to claim your daily rewards. Once again, this app is called App Karma. The third app that I want to show you is called cash4minutes.com. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio broadcasts. And you can receive your money every single week because they are now offering weekly payouts in many different payment options. As you can see here, speedy payments, you can choose from weekly or monthly payments through bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin or Amazon vouchers. Real quick, I want you to comment down below and let me know your preferred payment method. This app is available worldwide because they have global access. So all you need is just a mobile phone and an internet connection. Basically, this is how it works. First, you need to sign up for a free account on Cash4Minutes. So just simply set up your profile and link your phone number to this app, and you can then start listening to different radio broadcasts and start earning money. Another bonus way to make money with this app is by referring friends. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and earn 5% of everything they make. What's more, you'll earn 1% of everything that people who they introduce make too. Now, you can leave your referral links in the video description below. In that way you can use each other's links, so all of you can make money all together. Once again, this app is called Cash4Minutes. Moving on to the fourth app is Slidejoy. The rationale why this app pays you money for literally doing nothing is because they will be showing you advertisements on your mobile phone. And through those advertisements, Slidejoy is making money. This app got featured in many major companies. So as you can see here, once you download this app on your mobile phone, Slidejoy will give you cash-like rewards just for using their lock screen. They will be showing you the latest trending news and interesting personalized ads on the first screen of your phone. There's no need for you to do anything more, just go about your normal day, swipe, unlock, use and finally redeem your awesome cash rewards or gift cards. So all you have to do is download the Slidejoy app on your mobile phone. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. The logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. The reviews on this one are really good. It is rated at 4.3 stars out of 5, which is an amazing rating, judging by the fact that they've got over 100,000 downloads. Once again, this app is called Slidejoy. Finally, we're going to the fifth app where you can make money by literally doing nothing. And this is over at moneysmsapp.com. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Unfortunately, this app only works on Android phones. This doesn't work on iOS devices. So real quick, I want you to comment down below and let me know if you are an Android or iOS user. Once you download this app, you're gonna start receiving text messages. You can just ignore and delete them. You can earn money passively without doing anything at all with this app. And once again, this app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started and there are no hidden fees. Money SMS app is secure. This app does not read any of your private messages or uses any other data. You can cash out in different payment methods as well. The best part is you can withdraw your money within just 48 hours, which is incredibly fast. And right here on this app, they do actually have a referral program where you can refer this app to your friends and earn 30% from their total earnings. And that wraps it up. Those are the free apps to make money online doing nothing. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. I will see you in some of the next videos.